and welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Chef Donnie from the 205 Dining Room, and I'm going to be showing you my Buckaroo Short Rib Sandwich today. It's got a chimichurri aioli, which consists of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, red wine vinegar, and cilantro and parsley. You put it all in the blender, and it comes out all blended up, and you just add it to some mayonnaise, and then whip it up in the bowl. And then it's ready to spread on your sandwich. So here we go. I got a ciabatta bun today I'm going to be putting my sandwich on. So I'm going to start with putting some of that sauce on both sides of the bread. And a little bit more. There we go. And then I'll add my braised short rib to that. And then a slice of the cheddar cheese, and then some arugula to top it off, and then we'll put the top bun on there. And here's the completed sandwich. It's going to be served hot with a toasted ciabatta bun, and it's going to be available in the cafe and the bistro on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.